Start off with a pretty simple repetitive piano that is absolutely hammered with effects. Add a reasonably full-on hi-hat pattern. Layer that with a clap and snare for just a little bit more bounce. Chuck an open hat under there because we definitely don't have enough sounds already. Steal the root notes of the piano and chuck that in an 808. Use the chop tool to make it a bit more interesting. Sidechain a kick to the 808 to make it hit just that little bit harder. Finally, automate about 600 different effects off for the intro and you've got yourself a platinum selling beat.